What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the Thinborne Aramid Fiber Case for your Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. So big shout out to Thinborne for sending this case over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So some of the features and details. This is crafted from aerospace grade 600D aramid fiber. So if you're not familiar with aramid fiber, it is 5 times thinner and stronger than steel. So it's going to be a very strong case. It is MagSafe compatible. It features premium texture that improves grip, the carbon fiber texture. You get minimalist style with thin profile, only 0.4 inches thick, 0.78 ounces in weight. So lightweight and thin. It comes with a glass screen protector, and this case is not designed for drop protection. Need to mention that as well. So those are a few of the features and details. Here's the packaging that it comes in. You guys can see that it says Thinborne there, and you have that carbon fiber look right there. And that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get the plastic off and check this out. So I have used their cases for years now, and they're always some stylish cases and just great protection as well. And I like them. So let's go ahead and get the plastic off here. All right, so always a great presentation. Got a little piece of tape here that I need to cut. There it is. So let's open this up. So you're gonna get your paperwork in here. Important. You guys can pause this and read it yourself right there. Give me some important information there. And then you're gonna get identify the essentials. And this is something that you need to read as well. Very important information. Pause it, read it yourself. And here's the case. So you get two pieces to this case here, which I like. Here is the back piece, which is nice. You guys see a little bit of branding there. And then on the inside, you see your MagSafe right there. Thinborne, designed in Texas, made in China. And your carbon fiber look. So I like that they include the front piece as well. A lot of these cases are not giving you the front piece, which that's going to make it feel like a complete case to me. So next you get your wet and dry wipes for your screen protector. Get some extra adhesive strips right here. And then you get your screen protector, glass screen protector, which I'm not going to use right now because I have one already on my device. But here it is, and it does have the black border going around there. I like those. So that is everything that's included in the packaging. Let's go ahead and take a look at the case now on the device. So you do have some adhesive strips, one here. I'm going to take it off because, well, you got another one here as well. I think that's all of them. I'm going to take it off and apply this because I'm going to be using this case. So it just snaps in place. Going to give it a good rub down right there to make sure the adhesive sticks. So there it is. Let's check the ports here. Microphone, speaker, line it up great. So let's go ahead and do the back. So here's the back piece. I had to pause the video a minute, but I've already taken off the adhesive strips. You got one here and one inside of the side right here. So let's go ahead and drop it on the device. There it is. Gonna push it in, make sure everything's lining up. Give that adhesive a rub down here. And there it is. So let's go ahead and check this out. Push it over just a little bit. So you guys can see that your microphone is lining up here. Your speaker is lining up. Look like I left one on here as well, but we'll get it off later. You also have a mic up here that's lining up. And then around your camera, some flash right there. You get a nice lip in there as well. And then here's the side of it here, wide open for your volume and power button right there. So yeah, man, gives it doesn't feel like a case is on here, but it gives it more grip. This phone is very slippery without a case on it. And you guys see that the hinge is wide open right there. So definitely a good look right here. And you can get to all of your volume up and down very easily. No issues right there. And I think I left some on the front piece right there. It looks like it. Let's go ahead and take that off and get those off, because I definitely didn't see those. Put it behind the camera and check it out. Okay, guys, so I have it off. Here's one more. Get that one off. That's a long one here. Okay, I got those two pieces off. You got one right here and one over here as well. It's the kind of way I did not see those when I was taking them off at first. So, all right, let's go ahead and get this back in place. There, make sure that adhesive strips will hold it in place. Now let's take a look at it and make sure. So lines up great. Let's take the top of it. Yeah, your microphones are lining up and everything. So let's check out the front of it. You guys see there's your earpiece cut out. There's not much lip here on the front, but I do have a tempered glass screen protector. So let's go ahead and check out the MagSafe charging. Let's go ahead and drop this on there. You guys see that it is charging the device. The magnet is sticking on the back of it there. So pretty strong magnet as well. Feels great in the hand, gives it more grip, and I think it looks excellent as well. Very good looking case, thin profile, almost like you don't have a case on there. So I would definitely leave the product purchase link down below. This is the Thinborne Aramid Fiber Case for your Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.